Start by reading the question carefully. Underline all the key information. So we're writing a news report. It's based on a headline and picture below. Circle the headline, circle the picture. We have to make up the facts and answer the questions who, what, where, when, why, and how. Again, it has to be based on the headline and the picture. So we've got to think now, because we've actually got to come up with some kind of a story that is consequential. So let's say last September, for example, all the students from our school, CPSS, they went out there, maybe 200 of them, and they helped some seniors after a storm. It's here we want to write as many facts as we possibly can so that when we go to write, we have something to write about. So there were 100-kilometer-per-hour winds, perhaps some power lines came down, some trees came down, fences were broken, and the building was damaged. Maybe staff and students participated. We also might want to talk about how the seniors felt. Well, the seniors were thrilled that we were able to go out and help them. They were very thankful. Maybe they gave us some lemonade. And you also need to quote a few people. So let's say, for example, that you might ask one of the seniors, what was it like? And the senior just will rave about how wonderful the students were, how enthusiastic and caring they were each and every day that they came to help. In fact, you might conclude that the whole thing went so well that you're going to help the seniors in the community every year, not just because there is a big, scary event like a storm. So here we are. We've thought through our facts. We know basically the story we want to write, but we're not really ready to write yet. We have to organize our thoughts. Take our time and do this before we start writing. We will be ready to write. So as we're organizing in a news report, we use an inverted pyramid, and that's because we really talk about the end, the conclusion first. What happened? So students in September from CPSS helped some seniors. So we're going to put all the details, all the who, what, where, when, why, important information in the top. And then we have to divide up the other information to lesser and lesser importance. So the next one, we might talk about what we did there. We painted, we repaired fences, we picked up garbage. Then we might talk next about the storm, and then perhaps what the seniors felt, and finally our conclusion. So that's it. We're ready to write. So here's the news report. Is it on topic? Is it related to the picture? Can we read the writing? Those are the most important things. Then you're evaluated for topic development. Have you answered the questions? When? Yes, last September. Who? The students from CPSS. What? They helped seniors. Where? In the community. Why? Because the grounds were damaged. How? We get into more detail down here by painting, picking up debris, you're adding more details. You even at the bottom add some quotes that you get from some people who were involved with the community project. So that's one evaluation, topic development, and then next you'll get 1 mark for conventions. That's just spelling and grammar. So they'll go through to make sure that none of your errors interfere with the ability to be able to read. So that's it. That's a news report. 4 or 5 short paragraphs outlining who, what, where, when, why. Don't forget to take some time to think through your ideas, do the notes, do the graphic organizer before you write your piece.